Welcome to Pydle Day 5, your daily Python game, and helps you to learn Python by solving a very simple puzzle by writing Python code. Today we've got a heart. I know we're 2 weeks late. It was Valentine's Day 2 weeks ago, but better late than never. Let's look at yesterday's puzzle. Okay, that was the Pydle logo. Um, so this is a more complicated pattern. So let's see how we can solve that. Um, so I'm gonna use just a single for loop and then look for kind of groups of 3. So let's start with a for loop going from 0 to 2. Okay, so let's do the vertical there first. So if you do Pydle, so X, the row number is increasing, column stays at 0, color is blue, and the character is just a space. You can also just leave it blank and it will fill in, just leave that blank so you don't need a space. Okay, so there we've got half the vertical. So to complete it, we need to do the rest of it. So let's start from the bottom. Let's do 4 minus x. Okay, so that completes the vertical. Let's do the 2 horizontal stripes. So let's do Pydle. So now the row number stays constant, and that's just going to be x. That's the top one, and the bottom one is the row number is 2. Okay, so that should be those 2. Okay, so of the y, the one with 3 is this diagonal. So let's try and do that inside the for loop. So do Pydle. First cell is the row number is 0, 1, 2, so it's 2, and it's increasing. So you have to say plus x. And the column number starts at 4 and it's decreasing as our for loop is increasing. So let's do this. Should be 4 minus x, no character, and it is yellow. Okay, so that's it. All that needs to be done now is the 2 single cells. It's not worth doing them in a loop, so let's just do them outside of the loop. So we've done in 6 lines so far. We're not going to get away with less than 8 lines. Okay, so it's row number 1, column 2, no character and blue. It's the blue one, and then the final yellow dot on its own. So it's right in the center, which is 2, 2, and yellow. Okay, and that completes our puzzle. Good luck solving today's hard, and see you tomorrow.